Even the highest performing prosthetic device will be inadequate without a perfect interface with the residual limb providing comfort all day long. Whatever your story is, no matter how far you push your limits, your mobility is how we measure our success. How do we do it? 60 patents. Products 100% made in the USA using optimized manufacturing strategies. 100% in-house manufacturing from knitting to molding for 100% guaranteed quality. A global presence with 5 branches and 120 qualified distributors all around the world. One common mission, making lives better. ALPS, liner specialists since 1993.